Hi guys, I'm back. Here's the body if you want to see it. So we need the head. So let's go search. Let me go search it real quick. Wait, wait. So just wait. Okay, I found them. So I'll start doing some more them. By the way, the eyes are actually stickers. So you need to put them on 3, 2, 1. Boom. Boom. Okay. Now we need to put it in the head. Boom. Boom. Here it is. So let's just make the arm. The arm.